Hello everyone, my name is Alexis. Thank you so much for having me today. I am an interprofessional perspective of the federal department. I am here to discuss the policy that Senator Jan Jones discussed about the BMI screening and surveillance in K-12 schools. She wants to create a bill that amends the Child Nutrition Reauthorization Act to have annual BMI screening in grades K-12, and then BMI reports to be presented to the parents or guardians. These children include the 85th percentile on the CDC BMI for age growth charts for children by gender. I want to reject the senator's proposal of having primary just BMI screening. The BMI screening will not be able to determine if someone is obese because it measures individuals' weight incorrectly, which is why 3 different alternatives for the epidemic of obesity was developed. The first alternative was to create a policy that implements farm to schools. The farm to schools will provide fresh meats, dairies, fruits, vegetables. The farm to school is reduced products compared to the foods that are brought in the grocery store. It only requires minimum financial assistance. It is accessible because it will already be in the school. The students will be provided with transportation after the farm to school so that they can go home. The BMI will be incorporated for everyone that is going to the school, and the information will be provided to the family with different languages to assess the needs of the families that are from different backgrounds. The second option would be to have a policy where it's a requirement to have students take nutrition courses all throughout the school year. School plays an important role in helping students establish healthy eating behaviors. It can implement ways to learn about and practice healthy eating, as well as provide consistent and accurate messages about good nutrition. The only dilemma that would occur is taking time away from original curriculum. A pre and post survey will be given to them to assess their level of knowledge. And lastly, the third option is to provide the different states the option of both, because both options can correlate with each other. The children can take the information that is provided in the classroom and use the information to learn what foods are healthy to eat and what foods are not healthy. However, this could take a lot of time and money for both options. With a vendor being included, this can cut down some of the costs. The body mass index and fat percentage will be calculated to determine the health status of the participants. The parents will also be provided with the information and educated on the results. If the families are busy, then educational options will be recorded and sent to the families' homes. Thank you so much for your time today. Again, my name is Alexis.